This is a quick short video on how to install a soap dispenser. Firstly, use a StudFinder or a pipe, metal and cable detector to detect wooden studs or hidden pipes, metal or cables or live cables behind the wall. For more incisive details on how to use your pipe and cable detector, as well as your stud finders, how to locate zones for fixtures, for ingress protection and to prevent from drilling water pipes, click on the link in the description. Once we've located our wooden stud, with the Franklin's stud finder, we measure roughly about 41 inches from the ground level. So here I'm pretty much selecting the location where I want to install the device. I will place the bracket on the wall and mark the location of the holes from the screws with a pen or a pencil. After marking the holes, I will remove the bracket and drill the holes in the marked area on the surface with the drill. And once I have drilled all 3 holes, I will place the pins or the plugs in the drilled holes, all them 3 drilled holes. And then keep the plugs flush against the wall with the aid of a hammer. The next step would be to reinstall the bracket, connect the holes with the pins and secure the screws with a screwdriver. If you want to, you can use a drill, but make sure you vary the speed to 1, which is used for screwing down, as opposed to 2, which is used for drilling. The next step would be to replace the cover on the bracket back into the bracket until you hear a click. The next step would be to take out the device, install the Fulcrum into the hole in the wall bracket cover, and immediately place the device down until you hear a click sound. And subsequently, to secure the bracket perfectly, place the key in the hexagonal hole in the bottom part of the bracket cover. Repeat and reproduce the process for the installation of the second Fulcrum into the hole in the wall bracket cover. Again, place the device down until you hear an audible click sound. And to secure the bracket perfectly, place the key in the hexagonal hole in the bottom part of the bracket cover. And as we did before, put the key into the round hole on the lead and rotate to the right to open the device's lead. And then finally, put the key into the round hole on the lead and rotate to the right to open the device's lead. And when filling, to prevent spilling, fill 3/4 of the container with liquid soap. And then close the lead and turn the key into the hole to the left position. Please do note that it is necessary to pull the crossbar several times so that the equipment starts to flow out of soap several times. And you can also check the amount of soapy water in the device from the small side window. And that's about it really. If you found the information useful, don't forget to subscribe, like and share. Helps the channel grow. Thank you for your time, thank you for listening, and hopefully catch up with you later. Goodbye.